In this video, I'm going to show you how to download videos from Google Drive in just a few simple steps. This is really helpful if someone shared a video with you, if you uploaded a file to Drive and want a copy on your computer, or if you need to save it for offline viewing. The process is quick, easy, and you do not need any special software. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Drive in your browser and sign in to the account that has access to the video file. Once you're inside Drive, take a moment to locate the video you want to download. You can use the search bar at the top if you have a lot of files, or you can browse through your folders until you find the right video. When you found it, make sure it's the correct file before doing anything else. Now, right-click on the video file. This opens a menu with several options for managing your file. From that menu, click Download. As soon as you click it, Google Drive will begin preparing the file and your browser will start downloading it to your device. Depending on the size of the video and your internet speed, this may take a few seconds or a little longer. If the file is large, be patient and let the download finish completely. Once the download is done, you can open it from your browser's Downloads area or find it in your computer's Downloads folder. From there, you can watch it, move it to another folder, share it, or back it up wherever you want. And that's all there is to it. Downloading videos from Google Drive is very straightforward once you know where to click. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.